Hey there! Today we're going to prepare this delicious Philly cheesesteak with our flavorful TVF Asada. To start, we'll cut a red and a green bell pepper into thin strips, giving them a fresh and natural touch by slicing them julienne style. To enhance the flavors, we'll use baby bella mushrooms. And of course, garlic. 2 or 3 cloves are recommended. Once we have all the ingredients ready, we'll add them to the pan with our garlic. Gently mix them and cook until they become slightly tender. Next, we'll focus on the star of the recipe, our delicious asada, which comes ready to heat and serve. At this stage, we suggest cutting the asada into smaller pieces. Afterward, we'll mix the asada with the vegetables. We'll use a baguette for this recipe, and to elevate the taste, we'll use plant-based Parmesan cheese. We'll cover the asada and vegetable mixture with Parmesan cheese. Create steam by adding a bit of water and cover the pan until the cheese melts. Now, we'll toast our bread and spread it with plant-based mayonnaise. Next, we'll gradually place our asada and vegetable mixture on the bread. Voila! A delicious vegan Philly cheesesteak is ready to be enjoyed. If you liked this tasty recipe, share it and enjoy your meal.